What's the meaning of cogitate? Cogitate. Cogitate.
Cogitate. Cogitate. The word cogitate means to think deeply or carefully about something. When someone cogitates, they are engaged in a process of deep contemplation or reflection. This might involve analyzing a complex problem, considering multiple perspectives, and weighing different options before arriving at a conclusion. The act of cogitation often leads to insights or breakthroughs, as it enables individuals to explore ideas more fully and uncover hidden connections or patterns. Ultimately, the result of cogitation is greater clarity and understanding, which can inform better decision-making and problem-solving.